94.7 Asempa FM. So near Kosi saying Jumedi no Asugusu Awuti in studio. Dr. Bernardo Koboy, former Deputy Health Minister, former MP Lejokuku constituency, and Anthony Nupenu, regional organizer, NDC, Greater Accra Region. And Eric Wahacho say, good afternoon, Obi. For your information, people voted against Dr. Okoboy because he refused to even perform abortions at the hospital for his constituent, Eric in Hacho. That is Enra, Doc, the message by say, Obi. Doc, now you can now say the Obi in the mammy.
I like more. And I request on the bar and say, I lady in him. Na me mboboni ma and I say, now lady, why would I now? On batu. On batu, the end. On fa when come preko na enche no some family plan here.
Yes.
No mo hwe mi sa mo bu efu se na de metimi aka ni. And I say obi MP ma ready.
Easy. Some of the demands that will come. But me just say we follow happenings in the house since you left.
Yeah.
Before that, okay, Mami Efia Koto says, let me use this opportunity to send a heartfelt condolence to Dr. Gifty Oware Abuaje of the National Service Secretariat, her mom and the entire family on the loss of Mr. Oware Abuaje. Okay. Intimame Fiako to Deputy CEO of Maslock and Ediwe Abba. And he says, Obi, why is the NDC pushing a great leader like Alban Bagwin into such a tight corner just for him to be taken on by their foot soldiers if things don't go their way? Is this how they intend to make his leadership stressful? Anyway, the lessons are being learnt and history won't favor them. Mark this down. Doc,
Obi,
ma mintio parliament.
Unum say, me orphan. My parents, you know, money. Now, like the Kukuma for 4 years. I get about 152,000 registered voters. Obi, so 1 year conform me so more bread. So let me take the opportunity to thank Chief of Staff. News now break here, no.
Yes.
Now me Daniel Kupasi for the life. Me congratulating no. Let you go Obi. Obwa me papa.
Okay.
Na enyo no. Unse hono nobody has handled that constituency. Sebi as MP on kita any portfolio because a hustle. But I was able to manage because of her. Nti medanasi na madam me first lady Swasi for all the support they gave me. Obi because sometimes you know omo odo omo pa omo ben no so omo jawa sometimes you don't feel it until the pressures from life, you know. If you are MP no obi abedi una okita o, each person is like your daughter or son. Na eya emuye din and ema you start to miss people who usoma unim that whatever they have they will give you their last.
Yes.
And if nyakopa dom na omo ni ho na onya ebi mu replace omo ema Ukrasa back. What I say. So as for Honorable Fremadier, Nyakupon Shano, any first lady. Now, my brother, I have 2 brothers, so in fact 3. Omoye senior brothers, almost a bomb in 9, a boami, lawyer Jerry Ahmed, co-star. In fact, or taking me issues personal, or your beer. Me constituency investments projects campaign one man that my friend is sorry you know that when you see people being so interested in your affairs you know udanya say what smart search people your way because nye de bia na onya ni sa this yeah brother Lord Coming any Divine regional chairman
Divine Agohom.
Oh, they were very helpful ti me down once Obi Yakupon show mo nyina Obi before I remember issue now waka parliament you know mama reminding the public say recently, your COVID cases, no, across in China, about 3 months ago, we were doing about 300 active cases. Now, many say one share send a economy we will achieve elimination. Elimination, said there will be 0 incidents of cases. Oh, my no more. Now, we have 300 now for last time we checked in, we were doing about 1,400 cases.
Active cases, no?
Yes.
Is it 1,400?
Yes, as at the 11th of January. Now, Obi, there is one thing very critical contributed to your spread. Although I'm passing your community spread, I say, Ghana hano. Say be festivities, you know, travels, no, mobile, so contribute significantly. So that was a very big risk. Now research not share Ghana, Obi say be open door activities, open door, outside activities, risk no is very low compared to sebi indoor. Now festivities in so cases you be anya hospital say obi middle to upper class. Ebi a party bi obi a wafi abochaba we organizing some sitting sebi nkrofo bon komo air condition room. Esa na mfremo no na bebre timinya. Nti be pacho there are two things that are very important. Your mask. Opie na okwa. Second one so obi hear me pa ni say obe to me avoid meetings in shemu a in a closed space. Once you have to put windows obi are the same in frama and I will share no your risk is high. Now ye be in Korea ye reopen schools no obi friend say doctor is it safe? And I make say as epidemiologist obi am disease steady transmission no. If anka I don't know why the cases went up to 2004. I'll be afraid say member be schools. But because I knew say the risk factor, the seed I am no cost through your importation people coming in. Obviously, say your test for airport. It's true. Out of the 1,004, about 417 are positive cases at KIA. Okay. But all the positive cases would have been mandatorily isolated. That's the new policy. Yeah. But kids up to 5 years are not tested because of the trauma. But kids also, although they are strong, they can be carriers. So as for the risk of entry of the virus, there is still some risk. Into family be friend say, "Oh, akwara bi oba ono ni grandmother no dia mano eno yare." But akwara nan kasa no genuinely no and was intestine 4 years. But or the virus no nam. But omo they don't normally fall ill. So the point I want to make is that let's avoid closed spaces. Once the virus is in the global population, everybody has some risk. Now nobody can guarantee zero risk. Obi say na nkora kosko bibi koyo mu a openyi na okojuma no meet me koyo. So there's no zero risk in any environment, but we take what we refer to as risk reduction measures. Into obi say maybe asempa obi mu check him temperature first and come here 37.6 or 8 you would have picked me out. Just say my risk is high. Secondly, I use the sanitizer. And my by at least my risk has been reduced by your interventions. Aban is also taking steps to make sure say in the schools, public places, the intervention is there. But me pacho obi, we must get to the place where we show you abontino on share mask. Then in the business sem, so we abomodi na share na obe hard drink. Ana era bomodi na share. Obi me da say, Parliament. When I watched what happened on the seat and Ajuno, it sent me one clear signal. Say the NDC is prepared to use unorthodox means to assert themselves as majority of people who are ruling this country. Brofuna ma yusunu esukakra ba explain simple. Unorthodox say in shishaya ye dia tu ona obi abeja to no onfa no okofan shishaya bia eno no entensi obi hwe parliament ba be dissolve obi 12 midnight now saying dissolve you time amuko take the seat of the majority on the right no ye bought 12 obi mbacho what you say. So it means as at the time amuko take seat of majority no ye dissolve 7th parliament. No we be say 7th parliament na sebi how na do so no ye otina on the right side na obi enti the message was clear. Now only bibi obi sometimes you know obi di kind enti na page 4 bu be say o dwaye na obi be fa untuma e won yan say obedi na chi na ehia wa cheche mu say e na me na obe kam ntokwa me de minti sa me hu ju obi o cheche mu na obi bia da bontin. But what I say? So obi no matter how big o brain eya obetimi dia cheche na mu no you don't have to first of all step out of the bathroom. Now when the majority took sebi when the minority ekotina on the right side no omu ye to say inkofo ye dware a ya be fire ntuma. That's what they did. That first provocation no retaliate it sets into motion. It's a cycle. We call it a vicious cycle. Be back from inside. Ekosi only trouble any anarchy. Entina oseche mensabosu sebi out of discernment discretion. I can say they should go on the right. Tell Mamutina right to proceed this in course. That's not where they were supposed to sit. Sebi, brother Fred be status quo. Uyo be out na Benkum. And ya Benkum na left. And I treat muno.
Benkum left.
Exactly. Before Obe shifting from Benkum Akbani Fano, I was saying ya cut through some discussion be amaya ja to myself shift. Obi bata say. But Odi would to me any shift here. Now anytime Obi ni to me ya no. nipa foforɔ no so de ne tumi ba ɛyɛ ntɔkwa ɛne basabasa na ɛtumi ba na wohwɛ deɛ ɛkɔɔ so no akyerɛ me sɛ biribiaa ɛbɛsi no I see them like ayɛ sɛ Bible mu ɔhene no mame na ɔsɛ yɛntwa akora no ntoɔ no ɔnim sɛ akora no yɛtwa na owu a ɛnyɛ ne ba sɛ President Akufo-Addo na ɔyɛ the president of this country sɛbi sɛ ɛkɔ Al Jazeera anaa BBC sɛ Confucius aba parliament na mogya issue a obi ɔno di na ɛkɔ akɔbɔ so I see the minority ɛndi sɛ ɔmo ayɛ ɔmo adwene sɛ bibi a bɛyɛ a sɛbi yɛ deɛ nfa yɛ ho because this me senior brother Jinapɔ physically so also be matter obi immediately you use your muscles and your hand to physically touch somebody obi you've moved beyond the realm of how do you call it sanity and due process as a legislator look at the level oh not the first time you are now elected again now point in say odi wa ho na twi ni ba form imagine say Buko Banku ebi a choko for electino because onu ye professional aggressor no onu timis hit uti na to form wa obi John Kromfo because John out from away no omuso afa sikan so omkoko from one action you set a country ablaze so me my point is say we like sensationalism me can say the colors here no me for us but there were sequence of events and my climax here with all the things we saw and we must condemn each one obi from the minority deciding to go and take a different position when no discussion or process has gone through obi now matransi akache me hu say enye me wonwa say abambagbin edin penifo tenase no up to they sit for hours that's my report sometimes a whole day they are not able to determine who is the minority and who is the majority now obi standing on this na you know there's a section I think you are familiar with the way it says that the minority leader is the leader of the biggest party in parliament other than the party that has formed the government obi brofo way and pass me school no and we dey tell them me go presec me come and pass me school no we dey say no penu dey no but brofo way there enye say presec for penalty ase obi mo am come presec kra obi e wo say mu nti ase obi we dey mu pen na medical sa enye abonti for obi we dey abonti for o tie me a enye o na me dey anya me dey obi ni penu pe obi but point am here say obi when ye brofo are so complicated and now brofo be say labyrinthine and now complex or see the minority leader is the leader of the biggest party
of the party or parties with the most number of seats other than the party that formed government.
Yes, other than sir conjunction other than a child say and you are buying and your party now from a buying who belong to another party move for me a buying now say bad do amuna mu yeden mokita in fact stricto sensu check here it means it's possible that a minority even can have out of the 275 can have let's say 190 but once the government in power is belonging to another party it's possible no obi who say
based on the definition
definition
of the face value
now we are constitutional who grab and then one check constitution who are constitutional lawyer look better now obi so the point I'm making is say obi I'll give some advice me the day me can say me wait and success or say chairman sir but if I were the majority leader obi I'll quickly by now be talking to lawyers of our party to go and present this issue before the Supreme Court or to a body a better listen to sound argument and make a decision. Why am I saying so obi because ebi aye drunu what NDC did on the 6th Anajo to the 7th HL will say even when what some explicit laws I actually say majority now NPP na majority obi they are not a people at you. The NDC are not a people now based on how they've cited themselves and what they are doing. Who will say based on what you've told us you just to say you continue on the left obi who say about court case who share me kai sami jevi press conference to tukunomu omu introduce GM omu say let's welcome the president elect to come and give his address. That's how they introduced him. That time, we use those statements psychologically to whip up the emotions and the energy of their supporters. No one on the street say, Obi unzo mudu Supreme Court. Sanya manu, who the president elector? Just what judge to me say 150 50% plus.
Yeah.
Now president-elect, Ebani say na do Supreme Court, okay, say, oh, patch on 9 san election, 9 man woni na nanko jinabium. If those comments had been made at the NDC headquarters at Abaka, there are some people who went to Omuko Benny Taisa, Yedin Social Gomana, they wouldn't have gone out. Omeka say, oh, say 22nd round here, and he ain't share a sapomu, move and say, in Sio, now you find Uncle Taba, JMH in the second round.
For the avoidance of doubt,
Yeah.
I mean, what the standing order and Kaseka definition, no?
Yeah.
And so offer standing order now, order 7. Ekase majority leader is defined as a member of parliament designated by the party or parties holding majority of the seat in the house as their recognized leader in the house. A member of parliament designated by the party or parties holding majority of the seats in the house as their recognized leader in the house. Under the same order, no, explaining minority leader. Minority leader is a member of parliament designated by the party having the largest numerical strength in parliament other than the party that has formed the government as the recognized leader of all the minority groups in the house.
Obi,
other than the party that has formed government.
Based on what you've read, this is very simple.
Yeah.
Where they may use super sec but no chill me easily. If there are 275 Obi, assuming say the majority has 200 seats, the party that would have had, the leader that would have had the largest group, other than the one in power, would have been the 75.
Yeah.
Even if there are 2 other independents or parties, they would have their number would have summed to 75.
Yeah.
Whilst the majority say 200, it would have been one party or people who have come together.
Yeah.
Obi, I'll make this point here. Say, based on what you have said, I am convinced. Say, Udi Fomina can 137 we have had the majority.
Yeah.
But I am telling you as a brother, say there is no way under the sun that when you convince the NDC, they will take it based on what I saw on the seat. So media, unse me am senior brother Muntaka. Unse or your comment be about Judge B or CYA calls. Don't be surprised. Say later no, the position be either or the Nsuobe Gusu and now be withdraw cry with the letter about from Supreme Court. The point I'm making is that Obi, the only place in this country, and it's understandable, where when people appear, no matter how powerful they feel say they've come before the state, Obi, and we have reference from 2012.
Yeah.
Sir John, may his soul rest in peace. Omukajan said, how do you feel, Sir John, after going through all this? I see, my lords, baptism of fire.
Baptism of fire.
Me and my senior brother, enemy commander Capo, Sammy.
Yes.
I see, Sammy, what do you have to say? I see, no, in fact, I took my say, have you now see your real size?
Real size.
I see, yes, my lord. I took my touch and said, that size I already back out, you know. Obi, now it, who stress our size now?
Yeah.
So, Obi, the point I want to make is that the advice is simple. Maybe some way, somehow, Nyankopon be touch the heart of Haruna and Mia Bagbin when I was in Parliament of Amite and Nakwara. And to be friend of me, Papa. Obi, say Nyankopon kuma nukwere dedi. But the only place I see where Obi, I want to do our own Rashi say because transit first, where they will listen to reasons the Supreme Court. And I'm convinced that it's a court that, based on the things at play, from the functioning of Parliament to committees setting to everything, they will consider this matter as crucial to be heard. And I know that this matter will not take more than a week to be heard. That is if the majority, because I never con Obi. Said your mind said, Mamina, no only ba or see, what call you Obi Bano, or see, Chanamuna for Chichamaye. Sana, they say, NDC, I see them behaving. And I am convinced, they will not stop at anything now. Ebe frustrating government, and I have serious respect for how do you call it, most of their members, if not even all, from Haruna to Muntaka. These are people like Sebi Omoy say senior brothers of Parliament. That will be Mahun say sometimes group action. Only say Dana Nyaman is not educator was in Parliament.
Yeah, not at a gallery.
Exactly.
Yeah.
So that should tell you say it's not good. John Boyd was there, but Nyabo Chai, who can say Obi? But the point I want to make applies to both. It was not one of those days in Parliament. Taking decision. It was only at our level as MPs. The point is that party goes to take a position. Now then it is being whipped through the frontage, as in leadership in parliament. Exactly. So the point I'm making is that although I know them, Muntaka and Aruna, my experience with them, I'm one say Minyamu Penya, Utimido Mukasa say when you conform I am asking for our guys to consider the cause, because now the influence is coming from the top in their party. And to Ube Obiti me say Mitimitanka say, hey, Aruna, and then it's not Aruna I know, because understandably no, now the courts are being strong or kicked all the way from the top. Obi, now look, the court is the best place for us. We say 3-4 days or parliament, it looks like it's funny. We step in the court one day, Obi cool, make your case. The relevant documents are looked at, from constitution to how do you call it, standing orders, and then they will tell you that Oseche Mensa Bosu and your group, based on your arguments, Formina, the letter, what we have and all that, has been called witness. Yes, my lord, I'm with them. Okay, based on ABC, you are the majority, Yajatum. Or see, based on ABC, they are the majority, Yajatum. That is the place where I find solutions coming from.
Okay. And Dr. Bernardo Kobo and Amotere candidate, it's even more important because, again, apart from certain arrangement in Parliament, the other big thing, committees, no, and that is where a lot of the disagreements will come from. But Anthony, Minimse who follow the course in Parliament, your thoughts, Mepacho?
Well, for me, I believe that there's nothing untoward. As far as nothing untoward happened. Since I say we have one of the longest standing constitution of Ghana, 28 years. Yebo say nyamia adum say yedu pempensu you know. Ese bibitimi sima eye nkaisem say a dark constitution of Ghana did 28 years no say in a course, so it become part of the history of Ghana for people to come and learn. Say that day ABCD happened in Parliament, and one critical thing that came to the fore, the upholding of article. What article was it? Article 90. Secret ballot.
Oh, secret ballot. No, yeah. Is it 92? 92 or 94 in Mubako.
One of the cardinal things say that has come to stay. Say the days of Parliament voting and everybody was flying it around will not continue again. Say, see a constitution, 28 years. Now, 1 year, 2 musaba, some ko jina name, eko 2 bar, a open ballot. What are we talking about in this constitution? This is a constitutional provision. So why? That is where my argument is. Eti mebo mo abasu say, in as much as there were fiscals, there were some scaffolds to arrive at that. It tells you say, moja shweguye, and so you started a constitutional rule. People died to give us independence. People were killed to give us independence. 1948 crossroad shooting. Sajiaje temu di omu kwatwa so ansana abrofo eji atum so my independence. Look at the struggle of Nkrumah. How many people died? Are you getting me? And he said the main purpose say yeah by about to an speaker gwem tineni amagana no yen fan chiro obia fa na adwen kotoa na say a constitutional provision say begia to say over the years, the past 27 years on your kotoa ba obia de chire see whip system afi de debi your constitution did 28 years biema sadi ni be ejuma na say ebi mo be kun ebi be pra ebi be ye basabasa ene arrive here me bo obi abaso na so bi su fo say de koye manyantu entimetry ballot paper
e de January ono so bo na abaso
me born abaso but we go in mercy because only they are criminal. He was not upholding any constitutional provision. On so constitutional provision it only they are criminal because once nachi on the coin hot fire and a year constitutional say obi to abana say abato no enko year ofa as an agent ofa ballot now they are returning officer no say G they making sure say mrana ejuma and that is what Muntaka did. He said me teaming and was snatchy ballot or snatchy the coin. Snatching
Of
is
humanitarian
snatching is an act of taking something that doesn't belong to you and running away.
That role is see I made the
Okay, my main for in terms of secret ballot article near 49
Article
1.
49 one,
And
fine.
92 talks about Council of State putting together. And thank you, Nana Akwesi Asafo, J. Amsterdam, Medase Papa.
I get me.
Yeah.
Enti,
Now, okay, 5 minutes, and I'll be a man of that.
oh Debbie. Oh, yeah, mommy, I don't know me to be Ankoti. Debbie, yeah, mommy, I don't know me to be
Now,
Ankoti.
see, I bet I can't say what to me for box in the humanitarian officer. See, I bet.
And yes, yeah, constitution. And the chest, who, as far as we are agent, a work police center now, Batonu, and Koye, now returning of that president of Adrian Basu, no, yeah, Ufa, Usizi process, no, and the Shen is say, on making sure, say, and Rana is so far guide the election in the Eduma, and now, Mutakaya, eti on Fum Rabia.
Munta come from on former Brown.
Because one far ballot no box now call baby condemnable the scaffold that ensued and there was booting of the ballot box.
All my colors blows in the man, and also is allowed.
A thief was arrested and he was disciplined. A thief. And the line
If you arrest,
because the man was caught in an act of stealing.
MP, what me fiscal, what me boom.
Oh, you go Julada. And now when you be there.
now say Uchi area who handing it over my law enforcement.
Minimum force is
agent.
applied before the law enforcement takes
Who
over.
told you the minimum force is not applied by you, the citizen?
It is a conventional act and it's lawful.
Which is illegal.
It's not legal. It's not illegal. It's legal.
Uchi area or a suspect, you don't have any
Now,
right to beat the person.
we be bound channel. Chino say who train police. Obekun aka ho. Bunuma ni nyamre.
Dabi. You don't encourage that on air. No, who on from?
Ofa Zakika no. Enye bro. Bunuma ni nyamre. Na wetimi nya tumi woni so. And so the law
There have
enforcement.
been instances I abu obi a wi o ba obehwem na enye nipa kro.
Oh, but at that moment he was caught in an act. Wait, many scenarios. You are distorting my argument that I want to make. No, for all what ever happened, no. Meaning say, or my moody nyachum for hypocrisy in the Dawson. Yeah, apology. But
Chief Vine said, Obi, please draw the attention of my regional organizer that Carlos didn't just chew the ballot papers. He drank water on top of it.
Divine, don't know. So, to me, no, Article 48 have come to stay. So, going forward, we should always make sure, say, voting in parliament, so far as it's a casting ballot, dear, everybody should be allowed to, because here to some representing the good people within their constituencies. In as much as party has an interest in various things, you know, if there is no consensus building, say Conwa, because a sad decision, it is going to help the poor man in some village. Now, many of you said, NDC for Fumra bida going to sit in the right side. That has been his problem.
You could see saying on Asempa FM.
7th Parliament was not dissolved. Yes, it was to be dissolved 12 midnight.
Yeah,
and dissolve here, but your whip was able to go and place new MPs tag in a certain place. You didn't have a problem with that. The parliament that you were, 7th Parliament, was not dissolved, but they placed members of the 8th Parliament name tags at a certain position of parliament. Anticipation. So we also anticipated your crook way, so we went to sit down. So I don't see any problem here. I've heard the legal luminaries, I espouse say, what the NDC sought to do that day. Even one of your constitutional lawyers, or Representative Akufo-Addo, said it on your show, I think so. Said at that moment that both sides sat anywhere, there was no parliament. And for that matter, your point, I heard one lawyer said this, Obi, you interview people here and they told you in plain language, say, there's nothing untoward. Even I heard
there was parliament, but members had not been sworn in.
Until
MPs, but there was parliament.
No,
You could see saying on
you have
Asempa
MPs to form
FM.
parliament. A gathering of members elect in the chamber to take up a constitutional duty of electing a speaker to be sworn in and swear them in to become MPs to form parliament. That is the understanding I got from Mahama Yariga when he, the Harvard trained lawyer, one of the best. You see, and then that was what Oyusu
Or Harvard trained and Ghana trained.
is Harvard.
Or called law school or Ghana.
mean,
Harvard they are masters.
Okay.
1 year
yes,
masters.
but, right. You see, a horn or didn't knock Clark.
Yeah.
And a Clark Butu here.
No, but he's a solid lawyer.
I get him.
No two
And
ways
he,
about that.
okay, Sammy will say, okay, fine. And the Omunina congregate here. Say, go through that constitutional process. Omunya first speaker na Chief Justice be swearing in. No, no, so swear in na. After no more than MPs, she said they will now form parliament where the determination of where one sits and where one doesn't sit. We share crampo out the first time as quite in a front bench on both sides. So at that time, everybody have a seat for himself, him or herself.
Ekusi on Asempa FM.
So some way we are my first speaker. Call in leadership. As of today, they have still they are still talking. Minority, STT, the press conference out of the meeting, majority are back. But you see, let me tell you something that is creating the tension in them. And Mutaka sat here and told you, say, Oseche Mensah Bonsu is not a leader. And he's creating this tension. You see, the moment Mensah Bonsu continue to refer speaker was selected, it is agitating people.
Now say ABR omuko conclave no name decisions omuko take.
Hearing Oseche Mensah Bonsu today on GH1 and then the press conference. Oni shame. Oni shame.
Also oye penny me patch.
Oye penny oni shame ayanka. Isi nyachumwe ene kule koma.
Me patch.
Ipenyi fo.
Me patch.
So we all members him here.
Oye leader inti.
Fine. Taking counsel from you.
Yes.
I will grant you say me papa penny, me bra penny no. Say manka hoyi. But you see, when you go on and telling Ghanaians say Emra Carlos train ballot no na yen county we yentimi kaso ya elect obi yenya ballot no na you say 2 no akwanare Oseche Mensah told Akwano Carlos Carlos
honorable member now.
The honorable member. When you steal in parliament,
please.
He stole in parliament.
Please. Stealing a criminal.
Of course.
And on the say so of Nukpenu. And I would say this a crime.
Me the abonu. Me court. Per my common sense analogy, he stole. Now, and now can say there was no sorting. If there was no sorting, how did they arrive at 136 for Professor Michael Kwe? You see that disingenuous attitude of the leader from
now,
them.
136. No, who announced the 136?
What are you talking about? Who announced? Were you all not counting? What you see?
Who announced?
Obi, don't play this game with me here. I won't take it.
I'm not playing any game.
I won't take it lightly. We all monitored an event. There was a ballot box opened.
Yes.
There was papers taken out.
Yes.
And there was 2 power sorts.
Who is the returning officer for that election?
Go and ask the clerk.
It's the clerk. Did
Fine.
the clerk make any announcement of results?
You see, this is the attitude of the MPP
Me,
that's
this
annoying people in
question.
this country.
Oh, why
behavior where MPP for expansion of person. Are you one of them?
I'm only asking you questions.
Which question? Were we not all following when they counted Michael Kwe?
Did the clerk announce results?
Of which one?
But Obi, you know the interesting thing.
I did Mufa. But you see,
On the declaration.
go!
And here he is.
Go!
There's no declaration.
Go!
Yet he has a
You see, this is the behavior. This is why there is still a stalemate in parliament. And I don't say so.
Okay.
Be it as it may, was a speaker sworn in by the Chief Justice?
The clerk announced that Parliament has elected Alban Sumana.
So what is all this selection that is creating stalemate? Why would Oseche Mensah Bonsu behave the matured man we all know. Say, baby, I do no. Or you selecting by consensus no nukra ka say anka. The fan 2 weeks after say. Mwana na ukokoka kukwana sisan we ache na obeji etu. Enti mi de mesre. Mi ene mini MPs bi mu anka say utina majority utina minority o. Waketu ya. Ya sobeti.
Dabi.
U privileges ye beji bi.
Dabi.
But see eya hunhua to be called majority side minority side. Enti mi follow mi leader of parliament ni submission no. Me hu say he has come to a crossroad who say sitting anywhere in parliament doesn't, but nobody forms the majority and nobody. So, leader of government side, leader of opposition side.
Some terminologies near alien to
what is
standing
alien?
order.
What is alien?
Alien definition na me kan na. Standing order ni minority.
It is a who dia who defining no. Mu woni okoboy atina ha ye warped conclusion. Say a minority can even be referred to say over 168 members of parliament now by any government or a minority.
On the second reading, what I said.
So retract and apologize. So that's why I say you made a warped conclusion.
Accept the other one. Not once when you add from not ours. We have the one.
So now the argument here is that is Formina a member of the MPP side in parliament? That is where the discontent is now. Say he said, "I will align, I will collaborate.
He will do business with the MPP corporate."
So you see, doing business doesn't mean it can be always. There are times that it should be better. He may decide. Say me nye business way with Nkrofo me business with.
What's the way forward? How
the way forward? He said the leaders are still talking, but Osef James is not showing leadership.
Obi, I've shown you the way.
Because
I said if you don't go to the court, forget it.
All these things that happen, even we are not betting across.
I'm not done pray.
Because there was not much engagement, and nothing that Yamani be a yehu see here. Who was supposed to, because so Jihudi said who now cra government I would bam na shebe dwemu I know one who's supposed to lead the path of galvanizing that support to build the consensus. So the MPP itself no, they should have known say losing many seats is as a result of the bad majority that they had. And that much should have been there today. I'm telling you. Because
for all these years in leadership,
Mutaka showed you, has the man ever gone to the next step of his life with his bench?
Next step of his life, next parliament, another parliament.
With his bench? That is somebody who should tell you, say, one day he has fought with everybody, but no offers only fought. But you see, me,
do you fear him?
Akafebu, Jamie, Mariabu. Intimidate, minim say, ABC or channel panel.
Now, I resolve issues.
Yes, because I think, say, one of the things on my arrival, say, okay, since you know 137, say, the for me, now, person, mu solely majority, at least, committees, no, multi kase mu fani na. Because, who MPP, we are buying, look at 137. Me and this year, me opposition, because 137.
It's our caucuses.
I get him. And I buy your MPP, I buy.
Wow, it's majority.
I get him. You see, all these things boils down to as many Okoboy can constitutional interpretation, and by this one, I think it's standing order interpretation. Meaning says whether it's within the jurisdiction of the Supreme Court to go interpret a lesser law.
Documents.
I believe Parliament itself can put interpretative measures to make sure say they work together. Look,
the speaker would have
the MPP taking a trend position is not good for them. Why am I saying so?
We or you?
Baby amu wonu enye mamu.
Maybe
mu person mu di ye mu etufem. That's you want us to collaborate when your president is going to collaborate with government.
Choki clerk no ye na dey to form. Choki macharo.
Speaker. Enye mu di about the speaker of Ghana. Any decision I critical na say speaker antina gwem na one of Nkrofo Kotina ho who suffers
Obi na the speaker won't na dwem ebia we tu kwan
and ni tipa no sorry who suffers in the chamber in terms of voting
about voting now
na that time na bia o minister bi su nam baby enti media mesre because these are fine gentlemen and ladies who have formed parliament and I believe they can resolve their issue but fine gentlemen and ladies they fought to protect Article 48 Constitution as campaign Article 48 they fought to protect it
they fought to
protect Article 48 they fought to you people enti minim say yeah, you can't jegu adi we mu party supporters.
Sure, I did him.
I get me. The party support from all various forms. Yeah, can't jegu. Oh, mamu pini, mamu bet enu itung.
Eventually, they will find a way of resolving.
Of course, and I'm saying these are level-headed people. They know what to do to protect Ghana's democracy.
I were the majority leader.
There is no majority leader,
but I'll let them know that.
But who didn't say
this attitude?
Honorable Afenyo Mark and say he would make a statement.
That statement can only be made by somebody from the NDC side. What are you talking about?
No. Calling the speaker to rule.
Yes.
And I think the speaker.
Yeah, it is after the ruling that will take it off.
I know, sir. I just got, I think both
information.
Both leaders are spoken on, I think, Eyewitness News.
Okay.
And their submission is like, the speaker is drawing a conclusion that they all disagree. I get me. But I know, say, both of them,
they should find a way out.
And I think, is it, when you look at the committee sharing, the committees, there are some that statutory.
I was a minority chair.
One is some chairman. Then there are committees of government that are keen. When you talk of finance, when you talk of defense, when you talk of
mines and energy,
government have key interests.
Yeah,
but you can't tell me say you have all the knowledge. You don't even have the personalities. You don't even have the people. You want to look at us in a certain way. Not for me, no.
They want to sit at
I believe committees they will handle. I have so much trust and belief and confidence in Haruna, Aveji, Muntaka and the front bench to be able to come to a conclusion, reach out to their members, and then let them know, say, look, you were on my bunu 4 years. Whatever we do today has a repercussion on our elections in 2024. No NDC member, in as much as your court, whatever the outcome will be, it will be interested in frustrating Akufo-Addo's government. Or no, frustrating who no number. He's a frustrated president and he will frustrate to 4 years. It is for me, the life of this parliament, the best that they can do to help this weak presidency to be able to succeed whatever they will succeed. But I still hope there is a light at the tunnel.
At the end of the tunnel.
At the end of the tunnel.
NDC.
In the Supreme Court, in the Supreme Court ruling that will come in 30 days' time, and people will see their smoothness level in this country.
Court any lawyer any run. Obia ni patapa edoso no. Court any run. Say omo ye gidigidi say president elect ni we friend say otukono mo ka say chobo president omo drew Supreme Court. Bibi omo nyina ayira. Saa suban we amudi court of parliament no bi ma chere say obi a wa start hihye committee e wa dabraka so omo fa we fa de ehia no enye na no be reasonable. If the speaker doesn't rule Ochina in a way we take it to the Supreme Court. Over there, they will tell us what is right.
Dr. Bernardo Kobo, you could see saying in the higher Sempa FM.